In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted reels on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted some reels from your Instagram account and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and then go to your activity. Now scroll down and click on this download your information option. Then tap on request a download. Make sure that only your Instagram account is selected and click on next. Then click on select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted reels on Instagram, therefore you need to search for this option content, select it and click on next. Then tap on submit request. After you click on submit request, within the next 24 hours, a file containing your deleted reels on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted Instagram reels will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.